As if I'm paying 180 bucks for a lift. So stupid. Definitely ain't paying 180. Well, that's more like it. In this video, we are going to be lifting this Honda Civic with cutting boards. Now, I have 6 cutting boards here. Basically just strut spacers, you put them on top of the struts. Now, I'll let you guys know how I came up with this idea. Way back when I had my first Civic, I purchased all these cutting boards. I got rid of that old Civic. I got this one and I'm like, I think I still have the cutting boards. There was only one thing I was able to find. The video was gone. Check out this little screenshot I took about people talking about it. Apparently Subaru guys do it. 3 for each, so front and rear. It'll all be lifted an inch. First thing we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna pop the strut out, top and bottom. We're just gonna take it out. Super easy to take out, guys. Took me about 20 minutes. Now the only problem is you can see it's barely showing and it's still got to go through the metal there. So there's no way it's gonna fit with 3. Maybe with 2, but we'll only be on 1 thread. So basically, I think we're gonna have to take the top hat off here and press these out and then just put in some bolts that are longer that can do the job. So yeah, you measure it up. You're just gonna be cutting out a hole around the middle and just slapping them on. 3 if you want. You can put 25 if you want. Doesn't really matter. As long as you use the thickest part here. Brought a Sharpie, so I think what I'm gonna do is just flip her upside down, put some dots where I think she goes and have at her with the drill. Let's see where the mark is there. Be this guy here. Cut the circle there for the middle. And then you're gonna have to make it even wider so it fits around this big part right there. Yeah, so that'll be mint. Now it's up to the next holes here, which are just gonna be drill bit sized. So let's line her up again. I'm gonna drill out this one. I'm just gonna drill in here. There we have it. Boom. So you can see what we did. Super simple, guys. This is taking me no time at all. Press it down, clean it up a bit. But that's the idea. Now, what you're gonna do from here is trace your underneath. So now that it's on, I can just literally trace with my Sharpie down below here and cut out that exact shape. Once you have your template, then you can make 5 more. So guys, I also wanted to show you what I got. What else I got for upcoming videos here. We got 4 fender flares for the Civic, which is mint. So once we lift it, put those on. We got an air compressor for the tires. It's my old one that I used to use for my Ram. Should be good enough for this. And we also got like a LED light bar kit, the wiring off my old Ford Ranger. So a bunch of stuff planned for the Civic. I want to actually make it cool, give it a lift, make it an iconic car. We are going to quickly take the rear strut and then I'm gonna teleport back home. So all you gotta do for the rear here, guys, is just 1 bolt down there, pop that guy out, and then come in here, take out your fabric. You got 2, I believe, 2 bolts right there, you can see it.
1 eternity later.
So if you look, we got 3 of these suckers cut out. They look kind of wonky, but they fit on mint. I'm not worried about this actually. It like you think it's gonna be bolted and like clamped down. There's no way that would be really an issue. These are pretty heavy duty. It's given me about half an inch of a lift there. Dude, I just need a little bit more. Like about half an inch honestly might be perfect just because I'm rubbing a little bit with these tires that I got. All right, we got our we got our rear done. The rear has a seal, as you can see there. There's a foam seal. So we'll just put that guy on there like that, and then it'll squish that seal when we go to apply it. So yeah, guys, we're just make 2 more of these, and then we're golden for this side. And we gotta do everything to the other side as well. So guys, that is going to do it for part 1. In part 2, we're just going to be putting in longer bolts in there and then bolting up all this stuff that we just did. Stay tuned for part 2. That should be out in the next week or 2. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you are new to the channel and you've never seen it, please hit that subscribe button. It's free, and we're trying to hit 4,000 subs, so I'd really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.